cleaning chicken skin for the first time.
Yes, actually. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed till now, subscribe, like, share, and watch this full video. So tomorrow we are going on beach something. Okay, so we are going there. So today, me and Mufti we are going to cook this chicken, and tomorrow we are going to give a treat to all of them. We are going to give surprise. Maybe it's not surprise, but yes, something like that. But this is so difficult for the first time I am reviewing the skin, and Mama, you can see it's so difficult. She is doubting me whether how I am doing all the works here. So I know how to do. See,
Guys, all because of me only.
yes, all because of this is true, man. Without Mufti, it's impossible for me.
Yeah, see, guys.
Without Mufti, it's impossible.
We are waiting for the bus. We'll take bus from here, and then we have to check. Fuck off. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yesterday I showed you we were cutting that chicken and all. Me and Mufti. Yes, we made.
I'm not Mufti.
No. Yesterday we made a vlog. We started vlog yesterday night, and today is the next morning. So we all are here. Maybe it's afternoon now. It's 12. So we were supposed to leave by 11, but now it's 12. And Reddy, say something.
Hi.
Say
What I have
hello. How are you? Subscribe. Say something, man.
I will tell at end of the video.
End of the video. Okay. So how are you feeling?
Good.
Good.
Weather is good today.
Weather is good. And what else?
That's all.
Smita is looking very beautiful, guys. See, Smita.
Hi. What am I supposed to say? Small.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Harshit Bhaiya. So, guys, this is Jas. Jas Lamis Sandupa. Vitushan, you don't have nuts. Side.
Hello, guys.
No, there. And Tuini and Harinishri is here. My baby. This bus from here, and then we have to change to the trolley bus, another bus, and then it will take one hour. No, not 1 hour. 45 minutes maybe to reach our destination. And weather is very nice today, so we are going to enjoy. I'll show everything in this full vlog. So watch this full vlog, like, subscribe, share right now, and enjoy. Why?
Why? What do you mean? Why?
So what are you talking?
They're talking about something.
About something?
Something about girls.
About girls?
Yeah.
Talking about your girl?
Yes.
Someone translate and type it down what they are saying in their language.
Hey, wait, don't post it. Don't post it, huh?
But you know, like the one who works in a farm, they will only cut it. If I'm just they'll be like,
Harinishri, say something. Huh? Something.
something in this.
Like seems like you are tired.
Yeah.
Why?
Huh? Yeah,
Why?
like we are preparing because I'm tired. So now I don't have.
So Mufti. Yes.
So excited.
So guys, this is Sandupa, featuring Sandupa, basketball player.
Totally, I'm like the best.
Yes, he is the best player.
6'7", guys. 6'7".
What, 6'7"?
Yes.
Height?
Tall.
Yes.
He wish he was 6.
So guys, Sandupa is single. If anyone wants, whoever Sri Lankans watching my vlog first year or the juniors who are going to come here, so till you come, Sandupa will be in second year. So he's single, guys. So I just want to tell that he's single, so you can try on him. And he's the best guy. Qualities, I will tell you all the qualities. First, basketball player. Second, very rich. Third, both parents are a doctor. Fourth,
He's also a doctor in the future.
yes, he is a future doctor. Fifth, yes. Huh? His sister is also a doctor. Grandfather is also a doctor. Seventh, he has a lot of clothes. Lot of eating things from Sri Lanka.
Snacks.
Snacks and all. So you can try. Your final words?
Very excited to go, I guess.
Yes. Dinosaurs bone. Sacral bone of dinosaur. Really? See? Yes. Sacral bone. Sacral bone of dinosaur. I don't know, guys. We took this another route from
Somehow
somewhere.
we will reach, guys.
Yes, somehow we will reach.
Somewhere we will reach.
Half of our TV is there. Guys, come fast! So, struggling a lot. And then, I don't know whether we'll reach on our destination, like proper destination, but somewhere we'll reach. Here it is impossible. Yes, what kind of beaches is, I don't know. Full construction is going on. Yes, yes. So this is how Belarusian construction is. That's what should. Guys, finally we ate and we had we had lunch and now we are playing here. So
Yes, we are playing
yes,
volleyball, guys.
we are playing volleyball. My friend, come, let's play. Let's play. Wait. Is it inside? Yes, coming.
Quit walking like this last time.
Bistra!
Say hi, guys.
Rented these cycles and we are cycling here. Sandupa, Sandu, me, Mufti and Smita. This place is, Habib is there, that side, I'll show you it, guys. Somewhere there on that road, I don't know where he went. That road he's cycling, but look at the view, it's so nice. So awesome. Oh, after long. Woo! Fucking cold!
Good job, man.
Just aren't you cold? What
Totally
is
fine, guys.
what is it? Sandhu, how was it?
Not that bad.
Not cold? Normal?
It's normal.
Normal. Stop! Why? I'm making vlog. Why?
Why did you come?
I came. I told my part in this vlog. No, yes, I was scared.
He didn't come.
I came. I took one dip and see.
It's actually been
Fuck.
now.
What are you doing? Why? Huh? What? Tell in English.
We were talking about he
He
was
slipped.
going and washing it. So in case it will get
Yes.
quicksand.
What is this logic, Das?
What?
You watched that, right?
Yes.
And
Wait a minute.
Shit.
hey, what is this? What is this? Oh my god.
आगे पूंछे मैनिक्योर
Come, walk. it's fucking cold. It's not even sunny today, and you can see the wind. It's too much. But these fucking people took me inside this fucking cold water. I don't know, and they're still bathing. I'll show you. We took baths there with them, and now I came very early. I don't know because I'm so cold, guys. Now we'll take some coffee or something to drink. You saw like full day how nicely we enjoyed. We went. Yes, I couldn't show. There was like one place from where we rented the cycles, and then we went full that side. I'll show you that behind part of the opposite part of this more. So we went that side, and really very enjoying. Let's see what all are doing. Like it's 6 o'clock now. We are going to wind up soon. So Smita is also changing. Everyone is changing now. So guys, we finished bathing and now packing up now. Everything winding up to go home. Mufti is illiterate.
Father is illiterate. Guys, I became so black. I'm getting fever.
You are already black, man. Who told you are white?
Except you all others.
Beep sound here. Except me. Is Mufti white? Like fair?
No, darker than fair.
Darker than fair. Understood?
I know you guys are jealous, guys.
We are jealous.
Guys, I know if I'm white or black or brown.
You are black. Black category. No?
So in which category belongs to?
Again beep.
Huh?
It's so nice. Houses are here. It's awesome actually.
Again the same person.
See, the street is like so actually beautiful. Sunset.
I remember my first time seeing such a beautiful street.
Yes, actually this street is nice. So guys, finally everything is done. We
In 50 meters, turn left.
okay, Kharasho, we will do that. Everything is done finally. Now we packed and now we are going to bus stop again. Then we'll go to our hostel. Today was the best day actually. Really we enjoyed. I don't know now, but I showed like very little things maybe, but because we were enjoying and phone and all everything was in tent in bag, so I couldn't make like too many things I couldn't show, but everything was nice. What?
Yeah. Sister's the only one waiting there. All are leaving.
Okay, if she's waiting, tell her.
Straight.
So guys, finally we reached the bus stop and now we are going home. It was a very nice journey. And we are going to take bus number 59, not this bus, and it was a very nice journey. We walked through these bungalows and all. I showed you, it was very nice. I just showed little bit, but before that morning we came. Harshit bhai and all people ready and all, they already went because they got another bus and we were late. We were walking and really new group, new people, so it was fun, actually fun. So see you all everyone in next YouTube vlog. Before that, let's ask everyone how was their trip, how they felt. How you felt about
Very
Say
nice.
something about trip.
Very nice. So many things to do. Went cycling, swimming in that cold water.
Sandupa, what about you?
It was so good. Cycling was the best part.
Mufti,
Guys, swimming.
final lines before we say bye bye to all our
Everything
viewers.
was good.
Uh,
And the best part was swimming in cold because everyone couldn't do it. And few here.
few here, including me. Hey, see my nose. See, it's what? Because I'm feeling cold.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, because the weather is cold.
Only for like 5 seconds you went in.
No. 10 to 20 minutes.
No,
I was
Ah,
you were 2 seconds maybe. That's it.
He went
Not
in,
more than
kept his
that.
leg and he ran
Yes, you just went and then you dipped your.
Okay, they'll
feet
see
in
me
the
again
foam.
in June.
Everyone is waiting on Asim. Man.
So, Sandhu, what about you?
Everything was good until the point where Asim just stayed in the water for 2-3 seconds and ran away.
But Sandhu
Everything
got
was
hurt.
good.
Sandhu also got hurt
Yes,
in
I
his
got
leg.
fucking hurt.
Yes, so now he is injured, but no problem. Vitu, what about you?
Just ask.
Huh?
Just ask.
Just How was your trip? How you felt? The last final lines to my viewers. Huh?
That was so amazing, awesome. Thanks for the trip organizers.
Organizers, you
Yeah.
only, right?
So only the Azim Mullah. Azim Riyad
Cut.
Mullah.
What?
It was really good.
Thanks for our trip organizer again. That's
Yeah,
one and only
without
Azim
Azim, we
Mullah.
are not here today.
It's time to say bye bye, like, subscribe, share. liars. All these people are. No, thanks to these people because you people never come to anyone's trip, right? Because just yes, always he cancels. At the end of
Because of Azim. Yeah. Because of Azim.
Everything is because of Azim.
In 200 meters, you will
like, subscribe, share.
Like,
Subscribe
Subscribe.
subscribe and share.
Yes.
And don't forget to hit that bell button.
Yes, like, subscribe, share, and hit button. Okay. Bye bye. See you, and we go on next trip, and then I'll make a new vlog, and till then, gossip about this vlog. Okay. Bye bye.